What's happening? What a go on? Welcome, my viewers and beautiful subscribers. To all of my new subscribers, pick up on yourself. Enough respect, enough manners now, guys. As you know, 2 more days before there's no more kitchen on the Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Yes? Name go change. I'm gonna go like name. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I want to have a small conversation with you all. I do some videos the other day about passport and about green card. Now, the passport video, I try to explain as much as I can with the passport video. A lot of people come at me in a very bad way, saying I don't know what I'm talking about, I don't know anything. But I'm not the guy that go rude to you. I respect your opinion. I respect your comments. However, guys, what I'm trying to say to you is there is so much going on with this new administration that before you fly, make sure you check if your documents is up to date. Make sure you check if you have a condition on your green card, make sure you check and find out if you was approved, if there is something wrong. That's all I was saying. Now, guys, I want to get into this here thing. The President of the United States, Donald Trump, will be now selling gold card. In other words, Donald Trump gold card to wealthy immigrant. As a matter of fact, listen to what he have to say, then we'll talk about this afterward. Listen.
Our country, by buying this card, they'll be wealthy and they'll be successful and they'll be spending a lot of money and paying a lot of taxes. We're going to be doing something else that's going to be very, very good. We're going to be selling a gold card. You have a green card. This is a gold card. We're going to be putting a price on that card of about $5 million, and that's going to give you green card privileges plus. It's going to be a route to citizenship, and wealthy people will be coming into our country by buying this card. They'll be wealthy, and they'll be successful, and they'll be spending a lot of money and paying a lot of taxes and employing a lot of people. And we think it's going to be extremely successful. Never been done before or anything like this, but it's something that we're going to be putting out over the next, would you say 2 weeks, Howard? Do you want to say a couple of words about it?
Sure.
Mr. President, are there
Wait a
any
minute.
requirements for that gold card?
sec.
Do you have to invest a certain amount of money in this country in order to qualify for that gold card?
Yeah, exactly.
So
Go
the
ahead.
EB-5 program was really, you lend some money, but it was full of nonsense, make-believe, and fraud, and it was a way to get a green card that was low priced. So the president said, rather than having this sort of ridiculous EB-5 program, we're going to end the EB-5 program. We're going to replace it with the Trump Gold Card, which is really a green card gold. So they'll be able to pay $5 million to the U.S. government. They'll have to go through vetting, of course. We're going to make sure they're wonderful, world-class global citizens. They can come to America. The president can give them a green card, and they can invest in America, and we can use that money to reduce our deficit. Why do we give out lotteries of green cards? Why do we give out EB-5 for green cards? The President of the United States understands that the right answer is, why don't we eliminate the deficit of the United States of America instead?
The gold card, well, millions, but the gold card will bring in with it people that create jobs, very high-level people. I think companies will pay to get people in. For instance, you today graduate from the Wharton School of Finance or Harvard or Stanford or any college, and nobody knows if you can even go to work for a company. So Apple and all these companies that want to get people to be working for them will be able to buy a card, and for the people that are number one in their class at top schools, I see that as one of the things. But generally speaking, it'll be people with money and people that create jobs, and they won't have to pay any tax on income outside of the United States, which they're not paying right now. They're not citizens, but they'll have to pay if they create jobs in the United States. They'll pay full taxes like everybody else. So you're getting big taxpayers, big job producers, and we'll be able to sell maybe 1 million of these cards, maybe more than that. And if you add up the numbers, they're pretty good. As an example, 1 million cards would be worth $5 trillion. $5 trillion.
Wow.
And if you sell 10 million of the cards, that's a total of $50 trillion. Well, we have 35 trillion in debt. That'd be nice. So we'll see. But it could be great. Maybe it will be fantastic. We have it all worked out from the legal standpoint. It's totally legal to do. Hasn't been done before. It's been done in many different forms. We give them away. Why should we give them away? We shouldn't give them away. And I think it's something very exciting. I think it's potentially just something that we're all very excited about.
So, my viewers and subscribers, did you hear what the President of the United States have to say? So, in other words, is the EB5 card will be no more. So the EB5, is it EB? Yes, EB5 card is for business immigrant. If you're coming in the US to do business, you used to apply for that green card, business green card, then you come in and you do business. However, he's changing all of that. Now, though within 2 weeks, as you hear him said, the people who is coming in the United States and want to be on that EB5, there will be no more EB5. You will be able to buy a gold card. Now, my viewers and subscribers, listen me good now. One of that gold card will cost $5 million. $5 million. So if you're a small business and you want to come into the US and you don't have $5 million, then you cannot come in the US like before. Because before you used to just go apply for the business green card and you can come in. Now you can't do that no more. It go cost you $5 million. Now, remember, he says he checks with the court and it's legal. Now, my viewers and subscribers, what I really want to say to you is they are doing their homework, and that's the reason why even the person who is not a business person, who is just a normal person, that's the reason why I am saying to you all, be careful of the green cards that you have, because there is ways and means to cancel them. $5 million for a gold card to do business in the US. In other words, is you are a businessman and you want to come to the US to see if your business will do good. You have to pay $5 million. My viewers and subscribers, you have to pay that $5 million to come into the US to see if your business can do good. Now, let's branch off from that a little bit and talk about that same green card. My viewers and subscribers, I want each and every one of you to remember that your green card, when you get your green card first, your green card have 2 years on it. It's called condition green card. That's your condition. Now, let's say you do something or you didn't meet the requirement. They can cancel that 2 year and don't give you the 10 year. And there's nothing you can do about that. There's nothing you can say about that more than, yeah, you can get a lawyer, you can pay a whole bunch of money, you can fight it. But how you go win when you just don't reach a requirement to get the 10 year? And then after you have the 10 year, and you put in a 10 year to be renewed, they can cancel that 10 year. That's something that I want you all to realize what's going on. He's using the green card in every way he can use it. So, my viewers and subscribers, what I'm saying to you all is be careful. I'm not trying to make anybody get scared. I'm not trying to make anybody feel unhappy. I'm not trying to make anybody feel like ICE go get them. I'm just trying to say, before you act like you know everything, because we do not know what this guy is capable of doing. And we do not want to be on the wrong end of the stick. So, this is just a short video. This is just a video just to say what Trump is about to be doing. $5 million gold card. So with that said, peace and love, and I'm out. Bye-bye.